Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet these realistic rose leaves that will instantly make your crochet flowers look more beautiful and professional. And the best thing is these leaves are flexible so you can bend them in any shape or direction, giving them a natural look. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll guide you through every step. For this project, you'll need green yarn, 3 mm crochet hook, and floral wire or craft wire of this thickness. If you see this is the thickness you need, and it should be easily bendable. Now let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot. So insert your hook and pull the yarn through this, and this will be your slip knot. Now chain 11. So for a chain, you just have to pull the yarn like this through the loop, pull through the loop, and this is like one chain, two. So similarly way, you make 11 chains. After you chain 11, now we'll start working with the wire in this row. If you have never crocheted with wire before, it can feel a little tricky at first, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. The wire can be adjusted along as we crochet. Hold the wire like this, making sure it stays underneath your stitches. Now let's start our first single crochet. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through both the loops. That's a single crochet. In the next stitch, let's make a half double crochet. So pull through all the 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. In the next will be a double crochet. Pull through once and twice. So this is a double crochet. In the next stitch, a double crochet again. So pull through 2 loops once and twice. So this is a double crochet. Now you have to make a treble. So yarn over twice, pull. Now pull through 2 loops once, again through 2 loops twice, and this will be thrice. So it is called a treble. So make one more treble in the same stitch. So you insert the hook, pull through 2 loops once, 2 loops again twice, and thrice. Now you make a double crochet in the next stitch. So pull the yarn once and twice. This is a double crochet. In the next stitch will be another double crochet. So once, twice, then a half double crochet. So insert your hook and pull through all the 3 loops once. Now a single crochet, and in the last stitch will be a single crochet again. Pull through all the 2 loops, and this is one side. Now chain 2. So 1 and 2. Okay, now it's time to shape the leaves. So hold the ends together and bend the wire like this. This will become the midpoint. Once you have done that, rotate your work and continue along the opposite side of the foundation chain. And let's start with a single crochet. So one single crochet. In the next one, we make another single crochet. So a single crochet, then a half double crochet. So insert and pull through all 3 loops, half double crochet. Then you make a double crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, in the next stitch you have to make 2 treble. So pull through 2 loops once, 2 loops twice, and 2 loops thrice. So this is a treble, and in the same stitch you make another treble. In the next stitch, a DC. So 1 DC first, pull through once and twice. In the next one, again a DC, but in the next stitch, okay. Next will be a half DC. So pull through all the 3 loops once. The next is a single crochet and then do a slip stitch in the last one. So this completes this row. Now let's move on to the next row. So make a single crochet first, 1 chain and a single crochet in the next stitch. Again 1 chain and a single crochet and chain 1 again, a single crochet in the next stitch. So you have to repeat this pattern again for all the stitches. So it's 1 single crochet, 1 chain and a single crochet again. So till you reach the midpoint you have to stitch, the pattern is the same. So a single stitch, a crochet, a single stitch, a chain and a single stitch. So once you reach in the midpoint, you do a single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet in the same stitch. So this is the midpoint, and then you do a chain and then a single crochet in the next stitch, and then continue the same pattern again. 1 chain, a single crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain and a single crochet in the next stitch. So this repeats till the end. And towards the end you just end it with a slip stitch, chain 1, and make sure you cut the yarn enough to wrap the wire along. Also you can use glue and stick the yarn to secure the ends, but I like to twist it like this. And that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Feel free to share this tutorial with your friends and family. And also give it a like if you liked the video so far. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye. Happy crocheting.